Howdy Huns! Welcome back to another edition of Stephsgotit. Welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you today. I'm so excited. Let me cover that. I finally got my pins from Karen Doss, aka KK's pins, and I'll put her information down in the description box below. But I'm super excited because the mailman, it was supposed to get here Saturday night by 8, but I didn't get it till today. So I'm super excited because I got these pins specifically for something that's special to me, and I can't wait to open them. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I hope you had a safe 4th of July and got to see some awesome fireworks. I appreciate you stopping in today to see what I have in this next series of diamond painting accessories. Woohoo! Because every girl loves a good accessory. Ah, ain't that right, Betty? Alright. What do we got? What do we have? Oh, what's that? Is that washi tape? I think that's washi tape. What do we got? What do we got? A card. Second pin. Ah! Yes! I've been wanting one of those forever. Alright, so that's it. Put that over there. And let's see. So we have our card. Stephanie. Alright. It's pretty. And upside down. Hello, darling. Stephanie, thank you so much. Please enjoy, Karen. So that's nice. Actual little card there. And this was a freebie that she sent, and I appreciate that. It's the little macaroon. I have been in love with this ever since the first time I saw them. And she sends these as little gifts in your packet. So I had it upside down. So there's the top. And there's some wax in there. Isn't that cute? I love that. I'm so excited about that. Okay, now to the pins. Let's put that there. And I think this is washi tape. Let's see. And I want to say shout out to Karen and Carla, who, yeah, this washi, some tape. It's pretty. It's kind of the moon. I don't know if you can, the moon and stars. Oh, maybe on a white background. So pretty. And it's shiny and it's thick too. It feels like it will really hold up well. But Carla was sick. I think it was Carla, her sister. Sorry, I got dirt under my fingernails because I was in the garden. Yeah, I wasn't feeling well and had gone to the hospital, and so we just want to send out well wishes of continued good health to Carla and the family. And I know I don't know them, but their last name is the same as my maiden last name, which is not a very common last name. So I feel like we're kind of kindred spirits, you know? So let's wish the family good healing, and that Carla will stay on the mend, and that everything will go well. And we just want to send you guys our love, prayers, and blessings for a speedy recovery, and that everything is back to where it should be as soon as possible. And Karen is awesome because she still got these pins out during that. So let's get these bad boys open. You can put a bunch of little hearts down in the comment section so that Karen can see your love, and Carla, if they ever should happen to watch this video. I don't even know that they know my YouTube channel exists. So yes, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am so thrilled with that. Look at that. It's a chicken. guys, I love it. And she's sitting on the roost. Oh, and the reason I ordered this pen, in case you haven't learned about me yet, is I have a backyard homestead. So I have 6 chickens, 6 hens. So I get eggs every day. And we have the hen pen back there in the back. I have a small square foot gardening section in the back. I have a dog, I have a cat, and I had a rabbit, but he died. So we've got our little mini homestead going on here. So I was so excited because nowhere have I seen a chicken for diamond painting pens. So I'm super excited about that. I saw that someone had chicken cover minders. I thought those were cute too, but I didn't see those at the time I was ordering my pen. So that's pen number 1, which I love. Thank you, Karen. Thank you for putting up something that appeals to my weird interest and background. Lifestyle, not background. I'm not going to edit this video, guys, so I hope it's not too crazy. I hope I don't say anything too weird that has to be edited out, because it's not going to be. Alright, and this is, come on baby, come on, my second pen. Oh, check that out. Look at those scales. It's a dragon, and he's his head is tilted, so there's like a little, if you turn it that way, it's like the number 7. But I wanted it to be weighty so that I can turn it around and have the weight and move in different spaces. So that's why I didn't get the one that was just straight tall like that. But there you go, it's my dragon pen, because I love dragons. And no, I'm not a Game of Thrones fanatic. Or is that a cap, or is that actually the pen? Okay, that's a cap. There's the pen. Alright. So that's nice. A little cap. Alright. There he is. With his little horns and his little cheesy smile. Alright, and then go down his chest. What would be his chest area. And you can see that he actually has scales. And they come up to a little point. So I might not want to hold the pen this direction. Oh, but I like the weight of that one. Let's see. Not so much on the side. Yeah. So I'll either hold him facing me or away from me, but not laying down, because laying down puts that scale like right in the pit of my thumb. That doesn't feel good. If I turn it that way, well, I could do it that way, but it's weighted. It's weighted oddly. So it's likely to be this way or that way. He's either going to be talking to me or giving me attitude. How about that? Alright guys, so there you have it. There are my pens from Miss Karen Doss, KK's diamond painting pens. Let's make sure you get a good shot of that. There you go. So, I'd like to thank you guys for dropping in. And thank you for checking out the channel. I do hope that you will take the time to browse around and see if there's any other things, if there are any other things in the channel that interest you, whether it be diamond painting. I have an acai video I'm going to shoot and post. I'm about to actually go make a smoothie bowl right now. Acai. I destroy that name every time I say it. I just cannot keep that in my memory. Acai. That's it. Acai bowl. And I'm going to shoot that because I'm hungry and I've been looking forward to making it all day, but I've been ripping and running. So look forward to that within the next couple of hours. And a whip and chat is coming soon as well. Thank you guys for stopping by. Send lots of love out to Miss Karen Doss, KK's Diamond Painting Pens, and her sister Carla. Don't forget to check the subscribe button below. And if you like the content on this channel and you'd like to see more content on this channel, then give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and light up your little notification bell. You know, YouTube has some new settings for the notification bell. You can now be notified of all the videos on my channel, or you can choose to be notified of what you want to be notified of, or not at all. So go check that out and see which one of those settings will work for you on my channel, as well as any other channel that you may be a subscriber of. I hope you have a great day. And oh, this is Monday, so have an amazing week. And don't forget, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's really easy. And so you never know how much you touch someone just by a smile, just by saying hello or good morning. How are you doing? No, I mean really, how are you doing? Make that a real question and not a rhetorical question, okay? So again, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate all of the views on my channel. I love and appreciate so much all of the comments that you guys have sent me about how you feel about the channel, and the encouragement to keep moving forward and to keep going with the channel. So thank you so much. Subscribe, hit the like bell, and I'll see you next time, hun. Love and shimmies.